Now log on to this website, turboscribe.ai, right, and ensure that you are logged in. Next up, you come to where you have transcribe files. Now, the beauty of this website is that it can not only transcribe video or YouTube videos, right? It can also transcribe any other kind of multimedia content like videos or audio files as well. So if you want to transcribe a file, a video file or another file you already have on your laptop or PC, all you need to do is to come to where you have browse, right? And you can locate where the file is, okay, the video or audio file is on your PC, right? And then you upload. But for this tutorial is focused more on how you can transcribe YouTube videos. So I come to where I have this link, this import link from link icon or tab here. So I'm going to click this and it's going to ask me to import to paste the YouTube video I want to transcribe. So I've already copied the link. Just going to go right ahead and paste it in there. Then next up, I'm going to click import. So you just give it a few minutes, okay, to successfully load up the link to the file. All right, so this is the file, the link has been, the YouTube video I want to transcribe has successfully been loaded. So next up, I'm going to come down here and select the mode. Now we have three modes here. We have the cheetah, the dolphin, and the whale, right? So I usually like to use the whale because it's more accurate, right? So I've tried the three modes and I think whale works pretty well for me. So you can go ahead and just tweak, check which one works for you, but I'm going to stick with whale, right? And I'm going to go ahead and click transcribe, right? So I'm just going to give it a few minutes to process the file, right? So it depends on the length of the file you want to transcribe, right? So it's going to take longer, of course, if it's a larger file, and it's going to take less time if it's a shorter file. So I'm going to pause this video and return when the process is complete. So the platform has successfully transcribed our file. To see your transcript, you go right ahead and click the name of the file, and voila, as you can see right here, this is a complete transcript of the YouTube video we posted earlier, and I can tell you it's pretty nice. Now right on at the right hand side here, you have different options. You can export as a PDF, as a doc file, as a TXT file, and even as a transcript file for your YouTube videos. So you can upload your video on maybe YouTube, your socials, and then you can attach the subtitle file alongside. So it's going to help for it's going to help your videos to rank, higher on YouTube. So it's very important. Right here, you can also summarize it with ChatGPT if you want, right? Share your transcript. You can even edit your transcript, download the audio, you can rename your file, delete. So you have a lot of options right here. So you can choose the one that works best for you. But I want to make this something like a transcript for my YouTube video. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click the download as SRT file. Now it's going to ask you, okay, you can change the setting, maximum words per segment. You can choose 8 words per segment, or if you want it to display 10 words, you can go ahead and increase it. By using this drop down icon here, you can increase it as you want, but I think 8 words, I'm just going to leave it at the default, and I'm going to go right ahead and click download as SRT file or as a subtitle file. Yeah, so that's cool. Now let me quickly mention here that this platform, yes, it's not completely free, right? They have the paid okay, they have their paid plans, right? But the free plan works pretty well, right? And they give you three options or 3 free transcriptions daily, right? So if you want to upgrade to that paid plan, you can go right ahead here, and this is what their paid option looks like. Right, so the paid option, it's $10 monthly. This if you want to use it for your team, $120 yearly. So you can just go ahead and choose the plan that works best for you. Right, so this is how you can transcribe your YouTube videos, your videos, and even audios for absolutely free. So if you found this useful, please like this video. If you've got questions, ensure you leave them in the comment section. So subscribe to my channel for more amazing tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.